Do you want to learn how to use text to video inside Adobe Firefly? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So to use the Firefly's new text to video, we're going to head over to firefly.adobe.com, sign up to an account over here, and then click on Video tab. You could also click on this to switch to video, and you can just type a prompt here and generate. But what we're going to do is scroll down, and you're going to find these two options here. The first one is text to video, which is currently in beta. This I'm making a video on right now. I'm making a tutorial on this. You can generate video clips with a single prompt. And I've also got another tutorial on this one, which is image to video. So you can just give it an image and it's going to generate a video out of it. It's going to make an animated video out of that. So let's click here, text to video, and it's going to take us over to this page. On here, on the left hand side, you can find general settings. So you can switch the video model. Currently, you're not able to switch the model. It's set to Firefly video. There's aspect ratio. So you can set the aspect ratio from 9:16 to 16:9. So widescreen and portrait. There's also frames per second. This is also set. You cannot change it. There's camera next. You can change the shot size. So it can be, let's say for example, long shot, and camera angle. You can switch the camera angle from here, make it eye level shot and such. And in motion, you can switch between these motions. So you can hover on them and you can see how it plays out. I like the handheld version. It just makes it feel much authentic. It feels like there's a person holding the camera when the video gets generated that way. There's advanced settings. You can enter the seed here. I'm not sure what it does, so I'm just going to leave it. Now on the right hand side, we've got the prompt. You can enter the prompt here, and then you can click on generate to generate the video. But on the left hand side of this, we got frame. So you can put an image here in the first frame. This is going to act as an image to video. So it's going to generate an video out of that image. But we're just going to put a prompt here. And if you're not sure what prompt you need to put in, because they don't have an prompt generator inside it yet, so you can go over to ChatGPT and ask it this: write a text to video prompt for a random topic, keep it short. And it's going to give us a prompt here, and then you can just copy it. Or if you have another topic in mind, you can type it here and generate it. Now let's go back to Adobe Firefly, and in prompt, I'm going to paste it, or you can also paste it by, on your keyboard, press Ctrl+V together to paste it. And once done, click on generate, this generate button, this blue generate button, click on it. And now it's going to start generating the video. And you can see the progress bar over here, this circular progress bar. And once it gets completed, you'll be able to see the video on the top. This is your generation history. This, on top of this, you've got the generation history, and you can close it by clicking on this to close the generation history like that. And you can also delete this video by clicking on these three dots and delete it. And our video has been generated. Let's take a look at it. Okay, that was creepy. That looks like there was a jump scare, but overall, the video looks great. Now on the top, you'll find the download button. If you want to download this video, you can download it by clicking over here. And again, if you want to delete it, just hover on this and these three dots, click on it, and then click on delete. You can check out all the generation history over here. And then you can also delete this by clicking on these three dots and delete permanently.